it is possible, because we are the living testimony that the program works. You know, we gave some advice what they needed to do to make the process a little bit easier.
I said for this 6 months or more.
To your community in such a significant way?
So my name is Sharon Weeks, and I just want to say that we started our credit repair about 2.5 years ago, just right at the tail end of COVID. Now, the ironic thing about it is when we started, we were making very small progress until our lease was about to expire. Our landlord at the time did not even come talk to us and say, hey, I'm not going to be able to renew the lease. What he did a sneak attack. He put a notice on the door as if he was evicting us. And when we spoke with him, he just said, I'm not renewing your lease. And we went and we looked at some homes, and I was appalled to see what was being rented and the price that they were offering. So we decided, after speaking to Orlando, that we may need to try to get our lease extended for maybe 6 months to a year if we could, and then see what we can do after that. And from that day forward, whatever Orlando told us to do, we did. And without going through a very long story, no exaggeration, exactly 1 year to the date, and this is not a lie, 1 year to the date, we were sitting at a table just like this at closing. We were ready to move into our own home, and we literally was able to tell our landlord 1 year later, thank you and goodbye.